Look up at the night sky. What do you see? Twinkling stars, a pale moon, perhaps a distant planet. Now imagine traveling to the farthest star you can see. What would you find? More stars, more planets, more galaxies, stretching out before you like islands in a cosmic ocean. The universe is vast, almost unimaginably so. It's a concept that stretches our minds to their limits, forcing us to confront the profound scale of existence itself. But within this vastness, within this cosmic tapestry of light and shadow, lies a question that has haunted humanity since we first looked up at the stars. What lies beyond the end of it all? To grasp the sheer scale of the universe, let's start with what we know. Our home, Earth, is but a tiny sphere, a pale blue dot orbiting an average star we call the Sun. The Sun, in turn, is just one of billions of stars within the Milky Way galaxy, a vast spiral of stars and gas spanning 100,000 light-years across. But even the Milky Way is just a drop in the cosmic ocean. Billions upon billions of other galaxies exist out there, each containing billions or even trillions of stars themselves. And the distances between these galaxies are staggering. The light from some of these galaxies has taken billions of years to reach us, meaning we are seeing them as they were billions of years in the past. As we peer deeper into space, we also look back in time. The light from distant galaxies offers a glimpse into the universe's past, but there's a limit to how far back we can see. The universe, as we understand it, began with the Big Bang, an event of unimaginable energy that birthed space and time itself. The light from that event, the oldest light in the universe, forms a boundary, the edge of the observable universe. It's a sphere, roughly 93 billion light-years across, centered on us. Everything within this sphere is what we can observe, what we can detect, but what lies beyond? Here, we enter the realm of speculation, of tantalizing possibilities. Some theories suggest that our universe is just one of many, forming a vast multiverse. Imagine countless bubbles of reality, each with its own laws of physics, its own unique properties. Perhaps some universes are devoid of stars, while others teem with life we can scarcely imagine. Or perhaps beyond the observable universe lies simply more of the same, an endless expanse of galaxies, stars, and planets stretching out into infinity. The thought is both exhilarating and humbling. It speaks to the boundless potential of existence, the sheer wonder of the cosmos. But what of the future? What fate awaits the universe itself? Some scientists believe in the heat death, a slow cooling as stars burn out and galaxies drift endlessly apart. Others envision the Big Rip, where the very fabric of space-time is torn asunder. Yet there's another possibility, a more hopeful one. Perhaps the end is not the end, but a new beginning. Just as the Big Bang birthed our universe, could another such event occur, sparking a new cycle of creation and expansion? Whatever the future holds, one thing remains certain: our existence here on this pale blue dot is a precious gift. We are a part of this universe, woven into the fabric of its being. As we explore the cosmos, we also explore ourselves, seeking answers to the most profound questions about our place in the grand scheme of things. The journey to understand the universe is a journey of self-discovery, a reminder of the awe-inspiring beauty and mystery that surrounds us.